Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Plant Yard YouTube channel. So today you can see that we have a mature plant of Echeveria black prince, or which is botanically called as the Echeveria affinis. So you can see that its petals. Okay, first we will see the temperature. It is 32.1 degrees Celsius. Now you can see that this plant is in the form of rosette, so we will try to propagate it from its leaves. So we are now carefully plucking its first leaf, and now it is first leaf. You can see that we have plucked it properly. Okay, and you should have to take care that none of its part after plucking is being attached to the main stem. Each and every part of the leaf must be plucked off. If it is not plucked properly, it is not going to propagate. Okay, now we will go for one more leaf. Okay, one by one we will pluck, and as the leaves are delicate and difficult to pluck, so you should have to take care. So we have got our third leaf. Okay, now we will go for fourth one. Okay, now all the leaves are properly plucked. And one more thing, you should have to take care that after we have plucked all the leaves, we should have to let them dry for about 2 days at least, so that their wounds will be covered by the membrane that is called as the callus. So it is simply called as the wound healing of the plant. Okay, we will pluck all the leaves. Okay, nearly all the leaves from the bottom side of the stem, and from where we have plucked all these leaves, some new baby plants or some offshoots will be grown. Okay, now this is our next leaf. Okay, actually I am checking that either all the because the stem cells are located on the part of the leaf which is in contact with the main stem. Okay, the rest of the leaves do not have the stem cells. Okay, now we are just so we are just carefully taking okay, now this is our one more leaf. Okay, now we have taken nearly all the leaves. Okay, now now we have to wait for 2 days at least, and after 2 days, okay, now our temperature is like 35.9 I think, and now you can see that wounds are healed. Okay, you do not need to check that either it is callus over or not, or whatsoever the status is. Okay, you just need to first first you need to take the media, then you need to water it, and media must contain a little bit of sand. Okay, just take what's called as the simple garden soil. Okay, and in simple garden soil you can add about 30 to 40% sand, and then water it out, and then make it flat. Why it is so? Because it is necessary. Okay, first to make it flat, and then we will place leaves on it. Okay, place the leaf in such a way that their like last step must be inside the substrate, or at least it needs to touch the substrate. Substrate means this medium, okay, on which plant used to grow. Okay, now we are putting it like that. You can see that we are making a hole with the help of this forceps, and then we will put our leaves in it like this. Okay, you need to place them like that. Okay, and this is the month of June. Okay, it is 2nd June, so our temperature is also high. So if you will, if if you will put too much water in this pot, then these leaves may get rot. Okay, so you should have to take care. You just need to moist them rather than putting a lot of water in the pot and then make it soggy. Okay, now we are putting our next leaves like this. Okay, and okay, now this is our third pot, as we have plucked a lot of leaves, so just put them out. So it's our third pot. Now you can see that our media is having a lot of good drainage, okay, because it contains sand, so it will just take the water and do not use to hold it. The substrate which is having clay is having some sort of water storage capability. Okay, so after 45 days we can see the results. Okay, today is like I think the 13th of July, so after 45 days, so you can see that one of the leaf is destroyed or whatsoever, I don't know, but 3 of them are showing some progress. Okay, so 3 of them are showing progress, so it's good. Okay, one of our pot is good. Now you can see a lot of roots and baby plant on the tip of the plant, on the tip of the leaf. Okay, leaf of the rosette of Echeveria Blake. Now this is all about our results. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.